If the display or replacement LCD on your iPhone looks a little different than you remember it, there can be a good reason, and actually a couple different reasons why this might happen. One of them can have to do with where the screen was manufactured, and the other can actually have to do with what part of the world it was intended to end up in. Long story short, there are some variations from one screen to the next, but the good news is that you can go in and adjust these manually. Now, if you want to adjust the color settings on your iPhone, you're going to go to the settings icon, and then counterintuitively, you will not be going into the display and brightness menu because there's not really anything there that will adjust the colors. So I'm not sure why, but they've actually hidden this one. You've got to go into General, click on Accessibility, and then there's an option called Display Accommodation. So if we click on this, this is going to show us a few different menus. You can see we've got invert colors, color filters, auto brightness, and so forth. Right now my color filters are turned off, but if I click on this option, I have a few different palettes that I can use to make these adjustments. So I'm going to go with the first one here. We've got the pencils, we've got this grid, and then we've got this other thing, whatever you want to call that. So we're going to go over here and we're going to turn on color filters. Now from here, as you can see, if I do that, I had pre-selected grayscale. So if I go back to my phone, there are no colors at this point. So we can go in and switch this over to either turn the color filters off, or if we turn them on, we can go to a red-green filter, a green-red filter, and you can see how that affects the colors on the screen as we put these different inputs in here. And beyond that, if you scroll down, you can actually adjust the intensity of each effect. So if we go green-red filter, we can also go down here and kind of adjust how much of that filter is applied. And then of course, if we go into color tint, we can do not only the intensity, but also the hue. So there are a lot of different settings here that you can adjust. You can get quite a few different effects from it. And if you want to see what this does, just open up a photo that's got quite a few colors there. And then I still can't get the multitasking thing to work correctly on mine. But if we go in here, take a look at the tiger real quick, and then go over here and we will switch this to red-green filter. And you see that he's got kind of more of a pinkish appearance here. So you can go in here and tweak this any way that you like, and it will affect the overall color scheme of your phone and hopefully compensate for any differences that you saw between another iPhone or your original screen and the replacement. If you found the video helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and check out our weekly Tech Talk live stream. Have a great one, and thanks for watching.